In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DGET formula in Excel. We'll walk through exactly what DGET does, how the syntax works, and a simple example so you can apply it confidently in your own sheets. First, open Microsoft Excel and make sure you have a small table set up. DGET is designed to pull a single value from a table when certain conditions are met. Think of it as a targeted lookup. You tell Excel the table to search, the column you want returned, and the criteria it should match. It's perfect when you expect exactly one matching record and want that record's specific value. The syntax is short and memorable. DGET, database, field, criteria. Database is the full table, including headers. Field is the column you want back, which you can reference by its header in quotes or by column index. Criteria is a separate range that contains at least one header and a value to match. For our example, imagine a 3-column table with headers ID, name, and salary, and a few rows beneath it, such as IDs 101, 102, and 103 with corresponding salaries. Place this table in cells A1 through C4 so that the headers are in row 1 and the data is directly below. Next, set up a small criteria area away from the table. In cell E1, type the header ID exactly as it appears in the table. In cell E2, type 102. This tiny 2-cell block is your criteria range. It's important that the header in the criteria range matches the table header character for character. Otherwise, DGET won't know what to filter on. Now enter the formula where you want the result to appear. DGET A1 C4. Salary E1 E2. Here, A1 C4 is the database, salary is the field you want returned, and E1 E2 is the criteria range that tells Excel to look for the record where ID equals 102. Press Enter and you should see 25,000. Excel scans the ID column for 102, finds the matching record, and returns the corresponding value from the salary column. If you ever get an error, it's often because the criteria header doesn't match the table header, the field name is misspelled, or more than one row matches the criteria. DGET is strict. It expects exactly one match. To recap the pieces, the database is your full table with headers, the field is the specific column you want back, and the criteria range is a miniature table with a matching header and the value to filter by. Keep those three aligned, and DGET will return the single value you need with precision. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.